Yo, what's good, y'all? See Tech, and today I got another one for y'all. So this I actually got from Dollar Tree again, so I went back there. But I got a phone holder. It's for a car, and we're gonna see how it works out. We're gonna go ahead and see what's in here. I'm pretty sure that's just in there, but we're gonna go ahead and see what's in there. We're gonna go to the car, check it out, see if it like falls out and all that. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so we got good old unboxing knife ready to go. So let's go ahead and cut into this, and we're gonna just go ahead and check this out real quick. Okay, so that is open. So let's go ahead and see how we get in there. I guess that's how, but there we go. So there's our phone mount, and that's it. Yeah. So this is the phone mount. So it says expands to fit screens up to 3 inches in width. So we should be good. We're gonna go ahead and throw this on the vent. We're gonna just use like this Galaxy S5 or something like that. We're gonna go and check it out, and it actually matches. Look at this. It's like they actually made it for the Galaxy S5, but I'm gonna go ahead and go to the car real quick. We're gonna go ahead and see how it works out, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I'm back here in this oven of a car. I mean, even look at this. It says 101 degrees outside, so you know it's pretty hot in here. But we have the phone mount right here, and I got Google Maps up because that's probably what you're gonna be using it for. But it has some like soft pads right here, I just noticed, so it's not gonna scratch up your phone, which is pretty cool. But all you gotta do is just put in one of these slots, and then you should be good to go. So just put it in there, and yes, that's simple. I really don't see the point of spending any more money other than $1 because, well, this is like pretty good itself, so you don't really need to spend that much for a car mount. So unfortunately, I don't got nobody here to record with me, so it's gonna be a little bit hard to record this, but I mean, we got everything we need here. So we got Amazon, we got Google Maps, we got all that. We can still operate the phone normally. And it's just that simple. So you can also rotate it if you want to, so I can go ahead and just put it back in that slot. It's kind of hard to see, but we got it in there. I can go ahead and adjust the vent so we can adjust the angle and all that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I mean, I can't really say much else for this because it's a car mount for $1, so can't say that much. But unless you're getting like a wireless charger mount or something like that, then just like go to Dollar Tree, something like that, and get this car mount because this is really all you need. It's the same thing as this or something like that, and it's just like, it is what it is. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this, man. So thanks for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Can't wait to get out of here because it's way too hot in this car. And peace out.